Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you a tutorial because YouTube is currently broken right now with video quality that I've noticed with mobile anyways. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So, see you there. Okay, so this is my video. It's at 1080p, but it always puts it at 480p auto for no absolute reason. So you just, do this while you're watching a video, but while you're playing it, it's just like, yeah, this is annoying. So this is actually what you do. So what you do is you actually press your channel button on the top right, and then you obviously press settings. And then you go to video quality preferences, and here this is. This is where you can adjust it for. This is what I recommend for mobile networks, since they're not as good. I go with data saver. Then for Wi-Fi, if you have pretty good Wi-Fi, you can put it at high. If you don't, leave it at auto, but it'll just keep putting it at 480p or some random low quality for no reason all the time. So I just recommend doing this if you have good Wi-Fi. And if you just have not that good a Wi-Fi. So that was just a short tutorial on what to do since, well, it kept doing it for me, and I don't know if it's doing this for everyone else, but it's pretty annoying all the time, especially for mobile devices. On iPads, I've noticed it does like 720p, but it's still annoying how it doesn't go to the highest quality. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. This was just a short video. So thanks for watching and have a great day. See ya.